In the last video, I showed you how 42 AI can plot pretty much any customer data you have. And whilst that's really powerful, we're not really in the business of replicating, BI and Tableau and all that sort of graphical sort of user interface. You see, typically when you go to those tools, you're actually trying to ask a higher level question. So like, what has actually impacted revenue? And what we've done is enable you to just ask those high level questions. So here we can see, I've just asked, what's the impact of the account owners in the last 3 months? And if I click here, we can see that we have a deep summary analyzing, again, this is our dummy data, the impact of the different salespeople. We can see where the revenue, number of opportunities they're managing, percentage change based on the win-loss rate as well. And what's really powerful here is we're taking this really generic interface, essentially text, but then we're coupling it with this insane compute power. And when you ask these questions, click on this one here, what's happening is it's then being split up into multiple different questions, multiple different scenarios. These are all being asked in parallel and then being summarized back to you as the user. So here we can see that we've got the breakdown of revenue, total opportunities, got the breakdown on the individual products, and also the won reasons and also the loss reasons. Now this is incredibly powerful and would take normally, half an hour or whatever to dig through those different Tableau dashboards. Here, it just takes minutes and you just need to ask the questions. And again, like all the previous examples, you can just fire off example, example, example. And behind you have this massive amount of compute answering all the questions for you. Now, this is just the start. We have the ability to do what. Next is trying to understand why. Anyway, that's it for today.